Now coming to the Kapha fox. In the morning, when you wake up, have a cup of dry ginger infused water or carom infused water. This will take care of the sluggishness and your bowel evacuation first thing in the morning. For the first appetite, directly go to breakfast or rather brunch. Generally, the Kapha people, the stout Kapha people who have a sluggish metabolism, do not feel hungry till 10, 11. Okay, so you can go for brunch. In fact, you can start your day with salads. And for these people, having a salad meal with quinoa in it is okay. Or you can even have millet rotis. You guys are the best for millets. Okay, you can have millet rotis, then the gourd vegetables, green leafy vegetables, fibrous vegetables like okra. This is the best for you. For your lunch, if you're hungry, then you can repeat the same thing. But ensure that you have buttermilk. You know, buttermilk is not for everybody. In fact, it is for those people who have sluggish metabolism, kapha imbalance, or are looking for weight loss. Which is why some people get acidity, acidic belching. They even get prone to tonsillitis, then discomfort in their throat, or even feeling bloated. That is because your body type does not need buttermilk. Because buttermilk is very thin and light. That kind of lightness suits only the kapha people who have excess fat in their system.
Or excess heat.
Excess heat, yes.
Yeah.
Excess heat can also be tackled, provided you are adding cumin seeds and coriander leaves into the same.
Okay.
Okay, so that is where you go for the buttermilk. Then directly go for the second meal of the day, which is the supper. You do not need 3 meals. Go for the supper. Again, go for either barley, quinoa, or millets. Green leafy vegetables are amazing for you because they not just help in removing the fat, they also aid in weight loss and also better bowel evacuation. In fact, for such people, having up to half the plate fibrous vegetable helps. The cruciferous vegetables like cabbage, cauliflower, this is suitable for them. Tuberous vegetables are a definite no, not even aloo. I know it tastes amazing, but it is not for you guys.
Sweet potato?
No, you don't need it.
Because you just add
Yes.
more weight and more earth element.
Yes, earth element. So that is about the evening food. And at bedtime, try to have some kind of calming drink like blue pea tea, chamomile tea, or you can go for Brahmi tea. That's enough. Do not add milk. You do not need milk. In fact, I would say the life of a kapha person is generally easy.
Yeah.
2 meals
Yeah.
are enough. They're not easily that stressed.
Yeah.
They're basically the sorted kind.
Yeah.
The only flaw is that they're slightly towards the heavier side.
Yeah, that's all. Yeah. Happy go lucky. They don't care. I have
Exactly.
hair on my head. I don't have hair on my head. Doesn't matter. I'm getting whatever. You know, they're very,
They're very
chilled
chill
out.
about it.
And very friendly, no?
Very
Very
friendly.
sweet, very friendly.
Very easy to get along.
Yeah.
The Vata people, they struggle a lot inside out. Internally, they're struggling with a lot of overthinking. Then in their gut, they have constipation, bloating, and all those kind of troubles. And then mentally, they're easily prone to anxiety, palpitation, overthinking, anxiety. And they also struggle with dry skin, dry hair. These people inside out struggle. And therefore, Ayurveda says, either you need to have a sama prakriti, where the 3 doshas are in balance, or you need to have a kapha prakriti, because you're happy-go-lucky. In fact, aging doesn't hit you that hard.
For a kapha?
Yes. In fact, menopause is so much easier for them. But a Vata person struggles. They start struggling from the age of 35, 38. The symptoms starts kicking in. Okay? So even these phases of life are quite difficult based on your body type, just like the way stress is.
Got it.
If you enjoyed watching this content, you can watch the full in-depth video on the Body to Being podcast hosted on Shloka YouTube channel. To continue watching shorter pieces of this content, you can subscribe to Shloka Clips on YouTube. Don't forget to like this video and follow us on Spotify. Pranam.